Are you looking for a reliable way to convert your Thunderbird mailboxes into Zimbra TGZ format? Welcome to WholeClear Thunderbird to Zimbra Converter offers a simple, efficient, and professional solution to streamline your email migration process. This advanced tool allows you to perform bulk conversion of Thunderbird files into TGZ format without compromising data integrity. Key features of WholeClear Thunderbird to Zimbra Converter. Perform bulk conversion of Thunderbird files into TGZ format. Automatically detect and load Thunderbird profile data. Export complete Thunderbird data along with all components. Designed for full compatibility with Zimbra platforms. Step-by-step guide to migrate Thunderbird emails to Zimbra TGZ. Step 1. Install and launch the WholeClear Thunderbird to TGZ converter. Step 2. Select the default Thunderbird profile location and proceed. Step 3. Choose the desired Thunderbird options and add mailbox data. Step 4. Select TGZ as the output format for Zimbra. Step 5. Browse and specify the destination folder for the output file. Step 6. Click the Convert Now button to start migrating emails to TGZ format. After conversion, the generated TGZ files can be accessed and opened in multiple Zimbra desktop versions such as 1.0.4, 2.0.0, 7.0.1, 7.2.8, and more. For any query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.